Hello, uh, good afternoon. My name's Evans Landazuri. I come present to learning activity 19, evidence 7, the talking about logistic workshop, uh, pound 3, main ideas. Number one, efficient use in each of the logistic processes, uh, implementation of strategies that improve the quality of customer experience, a good utilization in the storage processes guarantees an effective delivery in the orders. The implementation of a transportation plan optimizes the factor that increase or decrease expense in operation. The use of TIC optimizes each of the company logistic processes, e process in which the work of a company of of, of a company offer comment that allow positive change to be made to to be made in the work of the different departments that help to achieve the objectives of the organization. Point 4, uh, Six Sigma theory. Six Sigma reduce the variation will solve the process and business problems by using a set of statistical tools to understand the fluctuation of a process. Management may begin to predict the expected outcome of the process. If the result is not satisfactory, the associated tools may be to better understand the elements that influence this process. Application guidelines define practitioners begin by define the process. They ask who the consumers are and what their problems are. They identify the key characteristic import to the customer alone, why the processes that support that key characteristic. They then identify existing output or condition alone, why to the process element. Measure. Next, the focus is on measuring the process key characteristics are categorized. Measurement system and verified and data are collected. Analyze. One, once that are collected and analyzed, the intent is to convert the raw data information that provides insight in the process. This insight includes in identifying the fundamental and most important cause of the defect of problems. Improve. The fourth step is to improve the process solution to the problem are developed and changes are made to the process. Result to the process change and see in the measurements. In this step, the company can use whether the changes are beneficial or if another set of the changes is necessary. Control. If the process is performing at the side of the prepared level, it is put under control. This last step is the sustaining portion of the six-sigma methodology. The process is monitored to assure to unexpected changes occur. Focus. Focusing on the primary area, deviation, reduction, produce other secondary effects. 2. Quality improved. Process investigation produced the revelation of the value at status of many elements. Many, elements. Some elements are modified while others are discontinued. Elements are refined and improved. Mistakes and mistake and opportunities for mistake are reduced. Uh, Lean taking theory. Lean involves many people in the value stream. Transitioning of the flow taking causes vast change in how people perceive their role in the organization and their relationship to the product. Application white lines. Identify value. Uh, the determination of which factor create value in the product is made from the internal and external custom standpoint. Value is expressed in terms of how the specific product meets the customer needs at a specific price at a specific times. A specific product or service are evaluated on which factor and value. Identify the value stream. Once value is identified, activity, activities that contribute value are identified. The entire sequence of the activity is called the value stream. Then a determination is made as to whether activities that do not contribute value to the product or service are necessary. Necessary operations are defined as being a prerequisite of the other value add activity or being an essential part to the business. Improved flow once value add activity and necessary non-value activity are identified. Improvement effort are direct toward making to activity flow. Flow is the uninterrupted movement of product or service through the system to the customer. Allows customer attraction after was after what is removed and flow established. Sport are focused on letting the customer put the product of service through the process. The company must carry of process that respond to provide the product or service only when the client needs it, neither before nor after. Eh, Work toward perfection. This effort is the repeat and constant attempt to remove non-value activity. Improve flow and satisfy custom delivery need, while lean focus and remote wide and improved flow. It too has some secondary effect. Focus. Lean focuses on the remote in was which is defined as anything not necessary the product of service.